Assalamu alaikum. Today inshallah we will discuss diameters in the pelvis. This is the inlet, pelvic inlet. This is the pelvic outlet. About the diameters of the inlet, save with me. This is promontory of the sacrum. Here this point is promontory. Here upper border of symphysis pubis. So this diameter now, this diameter is called to conjugate or equal to anatomical conjugate or equal to anatomical and to posterior diameter equal to 11 centimeter. The second diameter from promontory also to the most bulging point of the symphysis pubis. This is called obstetric conjugate. Obstetric conjugate. This is 10.5 centimeter. Also the third point or third diameter is from promontory also to the lower border of symphysis pubis. So this is called the diagonal conjugate. This is 12.5 centimeter. So there is three conjugate now. The upper one is to conjugate. The middle one here is obstetric. The lower one is diagonal. Also there is external conjugate from outside here to outside here. This is called external conjugate and this is 20 centimeter. Also there is, we finished the anteposterior diameter. There is oblique diameters. This one is oblique diameter, but this is called right oblique. The posterior point here is sacroiliac joint, and here the anterior point here is iliopectineal eminence. So this is right oblique diameter. This is about 12.5 centimeter. This is right or left? This is right oblique according to the joint. Joint is right, so this is right oblique. This one is left oblique. This one is left oblique from left sacroiliac joint to the right iliopectineal eminence. Okay, so this is oblique diameter right and left. Which one is longer? Both of them 12.5, but the right oblique is longer than the left oblique due to more use of right leg. So the joint here is wider than the left one. The next one is called the sacrocotyloid. The point here is promontory and anterior point is the anterior point is iliopectineal eminence. This is called sacrocotyloid 9.5. Oblique is 12.5. Sacrocotyloid is 9.5. 9.5. Here, this is sacrocotyloid 9.5. This is right. This is left. According to the anterior point, not the joint. Here there is no joint, so this is right or left. This is left. This is right. This is right oblique. This is left sacrocotyloid. Left sacrocotyloid. This is right oblique and the left sacrocotyloid. Here, this is left oblique and right sacrocotyloid. The last one in the inlet is transverse diameter. Transverse diameter is the anatomical transverse between the farthest 2 points on this arch. Here this one is called anatomical transverse. Anatomical transverse is 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. And this will divide the two conjugate into 7 anterior and 4 posterior. So 4 pelvis is wider than hind pelvis in normal pelvis. Also there is obstetric transverse, and obstetric transverse will bisect the two conjugate into 5.5, 5.5. But anatomical transverse divide the two conjugate into 7 and 4. Okay, this is the diameters of the inlet. About the outlet, they are easy. There is transverse diameter called bitubus diameter. This is 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. Bitubus or anatomical transverse. Above it, there is bispinous. This is 10.5 or 10 centimeter. 10 or 10.5 centimeter. This is obstetric transverse. Also, there is anteposterior diameter. Anteposterior diameter of the outlet is 11 centimeter, but this is anatomical. About the obstetric one, obstetric anteposterior, here coccyx move backward. The distance becomes 13. So anatomical anteposterior of the outlet is 11, while obstetric is 13. Why 13? Because the coccyx is mobile and move backward, so the distance becomes 13. This is bitubus, and this red color here is called posterior sagittal. Posterior sagittal. Bitubus is 11 and posterior sagittal is 7 to 10. Summation of both of them should be more than 15 centimeter according to the Tom's dictum. So what is Tom's dictum? Tom's dictum, he said that bitubus plus posterior sagittal should be more than 15 to allow delivery of medium-sized head. Remember letter T, Tom's, like letter T. So Tom's evaluates the outlet by summation of bitubus plus posterior sagittal. While this one is anterior sagittal, here anterior sagittal, and this is 5 to 7 centimeters. These are diameters of the inlet and the diameters of the outlet. Thank you.